morning sa inyo lahat mga kabaliwan! Welcome to my Day 1 Random Project playlist. It is past December 25 and because I'm here in the Philippines, meaning it's still Christmas here. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Yes, New Year is next, meaning firecrackers, fireworks display, jumping, having fun, and making noise just to get rid of bad luck and negativity for the next year. I hope so. And because it is New Year, I decided to make my own noisemaker.
Hello!
Yes, that's my daughter. I made her and she is noisy. So going back. So I'm going to make another project to celebrate the New Year's Eve. And this one is much cheaper, cleaner, no smoke, and no fire. This is the Tambuli in pre-hispanic Philippines. The Tambuli, which was an indigenous tool made out of Carabao horn, was used as an instrument, listen to announcements from their chieftains, or take part in making decisions for the safety and well-being of the tribe or community. Right now, I have here a big tambuli from a Carabao horn. This is locally made here in the Philippines. So you guys want to hear it? Okay. So I am not much of a trumpeter. So let's do it. Let's try it. And right now, I have here a smaller Carabao horn. Usually, they use this type of horn as a dog chew. Yes, they say it is much safer to give this to your dog while they chew it. But for me, I'm going to convert this one into a blow horn, a smaller version of a tambuli. And before we start, it is time for
Friend of the Day! Friend of the Day!
greetings to the following: Melody Miranda, Fidel Ramos, Odilon Santa Cruz, and Chona Borlongan. Thank you for your kind comments and support. And for those who are still new to this channel, hi, I am Aries Arriesgado and my passion is making different projects and showing you how I do it. So please, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button for more updates. Remember, it's one day or day one. You decide. Let's do it now. Philippine Tambuli. Guys, we have here the finished tambuli. Okay, so now I'm going to test the sound of this small tambuli. So, how do you blow a tambuli? It's just like blowing a trumpet. Make sure you moisten your lips like this. Okay? And then you put your lips tight together and then blow, creating this sound. Or the side like this. Okay? Just keep on practicing and then you can get it. Even myself sometimes, I create weird sound when I do not do the proper blowing of the lips. Okay? So it's like this. Front, like this. One more time. This is a Philippine Tambuli. Now, I'm ready for New Year's Eve celebration.